The great significance of No More Victims is, first of all, that it's helping people who badly need help. Secondly, it's reaching Americans, inducing them to think about what we're in fact inadvertently doing, treating it at a human scale so you can perceive it as something that could be in your home, let's say. It opens up possibilities for many other actions. One of the very exciting developments in the United States in the past 20 years, in fact, has been the rise of solidarity movements. In the whole history of Western imperialism, they never existed. No one ever thought of, say, in France, living in an Algerian village to help the victims and protect them with a white face. But in Central America, thousands of Americans did that. It's expanded. It's now all over the world. There's an international solidarity movement. Sister city movements have developed, which provide help to the victims, but they also provide help to us because they civilize us. They make us understand who we are and what we do. Everyone gains. And No More Victims is extremely valuable in itself. It can be modified, duplicated, suggest other alternatives. It could really change the country and save many more victims in the future.